Okay, we're gonna do it. Ooh. Gonna blow my lash off. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me today. So I'm here with another wig. Show you guys. Dang, I got the highline bling today, baby. And I'm just going to demonstrate to you guys how I'm going to try to melt this wig onto my head without any glue. The wig I'm using is from RPG Show, and it is their latest units. And it's transparent lace, and they have these really nice adjustable bands inside, which I love because it's like a bra strap. Let's hop right into it. Your girl got her braids back, baby. Bust down, Bradiana. Okay, haven't been doing nothing to my hair as far as like braids and wigs. I just been wearing it in its natural setting. This is gonna be like a talk through chit chat because I have not talked to y'all in forever. It feels like I'm gonna take some of this gel. So much has been going on with me, and I just feel like I've been neglecting y'all, which I apologize. Everything's just been so busy with me, you guys, and I figured let me just get on here and just have a little chit chat and see what's going on with y'all. I'm taking the brush and just smoothing back all of my baby hairs and just starting off with a really smooth foundation. Blow dry, my cord ain't long enough, so I gotta scooch this way. Some of y'all may not know. Some of you may know because I haven't really been on social media like that. Like, I'm trying to launch my own hairline and wig line. So I just been really busy working and focusing majority of my time on that. My brand is Classy Crowns by Jasmine, and you guys can check out my website. My site is officially launched. Yay! Officially launched. And I'm just slowly starting. I feel like I'm just so nervous about syncing, and the crazy thing is I've been doing this YouTube thing for so long, reviewing wigs, so I have a really good idea of how things are going to work and everything, but it's so much differently when you're doing it yourself, and I'm doing everything on my own. Like, everything is like from scratch for me. I'm cutting the lace in the back, you guys, and this is just going to be a rough fit. I will leave all the wig details, like length and all that, because I don't know any of that stuff. I will leave all that in the description box. Ooh, so y'all be sure to check, be sure to check that out. Ooh, okay. Ooh, wait, this is bright. I'm just gonna cut like half of the lace off so that I can gauge exactly where the lace is gonna lay on my hairline. So I'm just cutting half of it off, you guys, not exactly at the hairline, but just half. So you see that I'm just cutting half of it. But anyway, back to what we were talking about. So yeah, I just been super duper busy, you guys. You guys know that I'm a hairstylist, and that's what I do full time. So I've been working, doing hair, and working on my business. If you guys want to check out my site, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to be doing a lot more YouTube videos geared towards my products, and I'm also going to still be doing hair reviews, but I'm really selective with my hair reviews now because people are trying to get over, and I don't have time for that. I'm just adjusting the straps back here. My son is 5 and my daughter is 9, and they're just active. So I just been busy. I just adjusted the straps back here, and that made a hell of a difference, sis. Girl, I'm not supposed to glue this now. Girl, that made a huge difference. Who finna glue this down? Who finna glue this down when your wig fit like this? Cause why? It fits. See, I don't like how that look right there. I'm really debating on changing my site, changing my YouTube to Classy Crowns by Jasmine instead of Miss Jassy Classy. I feel like I need to retire that because it's time to evolve. I have evolved, and I don't know if I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I just adjusted it right in the middle. Honestly, don't like doing this only because it's kind of messy, but I feel like when I do my touch-ups and stuff, this spray is like, girl, everything. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, including myself, including my mommy, and everybody else in my life that's a mama. Let's put the wig on first, then we gonna spray, because I don't want that shit dripping. Yo, we definitely gonna have to change the part, because I don't like that middle. I don't like the middle part. Ooh, child. Okay, we're gonna do it. Ooh. Gonna blow my lash off. Okay, gonna press, press, press. And I'm just spraying my hairline, you guys. This is not for people that's going to be going out swimming, going to the club, dancing, and twerking, or any of that stuff. Like, this is not for you, because this is really, like, if you finna go to work and you finna be sitting at a desk, or I don't advise people who is teachers, y'all going to school and got the kids pulling on your head and you're swinging your, you know, this ain't for you, because this shit might come off. It literally, it might just come off, okay? Oh, that looks good, don't it, y'all? Ooh, wee, child. That looks good. Can you even see where this lace is at? You barely can't. And that's the transparent lace, you guys. Transparent lace is good lace to have. Everybody cannot do transparent lace. Light skin, let's say fair complexion. I just feel like it just don't do good for people who are at a darker, more deeper tone complexion, because you can't go wrong with transparent, because you can always make the lace darker, but you can't make it lighter. And that's the thing that we're dealing with right now. Folks will come to you with this lace and they'll be bright as the sun, and their lace will be dark as midnight, okay? And then you got to be the one that's got to fix. Just keep that in mind. Transparent lace is kind of the go-to lace. You just have to make sure you read descriptions and stuff when you're shopping for your wigs, and make sure that you're choosing the right type of lace that's going to fit for you. This is why I don't talk and do stuff, because I can't. I just do voiceovers. Let's talk about these edge wraps. I just feel like these edge wraps are just bomb, because they're not like your average edge wrap. Like, a lot of the edge wraps you see are like those silk or satin piece of fabric. It's a different material, so it's not going to slip, it's not going to slide, it's going to stay on. You can tie it in the back and leave it hanging like this, or you could go ahead and double it like that, because I want my clients to be able to have their frontals last and their installs last for a really long time without having to come to me, you know, every so often for this touch up. So all my clients, everybody said that it just is amazing. So now I'm about to go in and cut this excess lace that we got. So we are back and we are finished. I did go ahead and do a middle part, you guys, because I just feel like it just wasn't working for me. I feel like no matter where I part, this is just how the wig was styled. So I'm just gonna stick with how the wig is supposed to be styled in this middle. I don't have any baby hairs or anything like that. A very natural look. I went in with the concealer just to even out some stuff, make it look more natural, because you see in the beginning I did not put on a cap underneath here. So that's pretty much it. That completes this video. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. Make sure that you check out the description box. I will leave all information down there. And big ups to RPG Show. They are still launching these hot new arrivals, hot new wigs, still in the game, and I love it. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next.